Reparadise. We're going to do a walkthrough on this Starcraft here. We updated the solar system on it, replaced the factory single panel, probably a 100-watt unit, with 3 Renogy panels. This client travels to Baja quite a bit, and we'll spend multiple days in this thing without shore power or anything. On the inside, we've got a new solar charge controller that has Bluetooth connectivity as well, and then we updated to a single lithium ion energy battery. Additionally, we added new power distribution blocks, fuses, and a 2,000 watt inverter. So with those panels up top, this little camper should be putting out a nice amount of juice when the sun's hitting it full time. So there you go. It's a little update we did here on this old trailer.